Hi everyone. In today's Tutorial Tuesday, we're going to talk about what do you do when your camera won't fire your flash when shooting in live view. Why would you shoot in live view? Well, many times we're shooting over the subject, whether the baby is laying down on the beanbag or mom and baby are laying down on the floor. I need to take my camera and shoot over them. And many times I just can't reach them. And so I'll put my arms way out and I'll try to shoot in live view. Shooting in live view is a little bit tricky because you want to make sure that your focusing points and everything is working correctly. And when you're in a studio environment, sometimes you'll find that your flash doesn't fire. Why is that? Well, silent live view might be the issue. I teach around the world, and many times in our workshops, we find this is the case with many of our students. Regardless of what the camera is, they'll go to shoot in live view mode and the flash will not fire. So what you want to do is disable silent live view. But you may need to check your manual on how to disable this. I'm going to show you how to do it on my camera. I have a Canon 5D Mark IV. Now, not all Nikon or Sony are affected, so try it. And if you can shoot live view and fire off your flash with your transmitter, then you're probably fine. But if you can't, you might want to look into what I'm going to show you. Click Menu, first icon, your camera icon. Scroll over to number 6. Click Silent Live Shoot and go down and disable this. Then when you want to do a live view, just click your Start Stop button and you can get ready to go live view. Hey YouTube, thanks for coming to my channel. My name is Ana Brandt and I would love if you would subscribe. By subscribing to my channel, you'll be notified of all of the amazing new content that we're working on for the future, and we'd love for you to be a part of it.